So Allah Almighty has given us a great gift, and that is the ability to seek forgiveness so easily. Seek the forgiveness of Allah. So when we seek the forgiveness of Allah, we don't doubt the mercy of Allah. I told a sister, I said, you feel so bad, you're having sleepless nights, you recognize what you did was so wrong. If you're able to reverse what you did, reverse it and seek the forgiveness of Allah and understand He will forgive you. He will definitely forgive you, no matter what you've done. My brothers and sisters, can you see where we've gone? We're facing reality. Many people are engaging in things that they don't realize are actually satanic. They're actually, for a believer, unacceptable. Find out what these things are. I spoke about magic moments ago, but there are so many other things that we may be doing without realizing this is actually satanic. If not satanic, it is something that will earn the displeasure of Allah. It's not going to get me anywhere. Let me actually do what is right. Life is so short. Every other day